Hey there everyone, it's Ravindra Devrani back with another video. We are continuing the C# tutorial series. In previous video, we have done couple of exercises, and in this video we are doing couple of more. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then hit that subscribe button also. So let's get started without any delay. And here we have this exercise which have two programs. First will print this pattern, and second one is check the number is even or odd. So let's write a program for the pattern. That was the first one. So first of all, what we need a loop, because we have to print 1 2 3 4 5 lines here. So we need a loop that will run 5 times. So we will write here int I equals to 1, I is less than equals to 5, I plus plus. Now it will execute a line 5 times, and we will write another loop here int j equals to 1, j is less than equals to I, j plus plus. And we will write here console dot write line, not write line, console dot write, and we will enter a new line here, console dot write line. That's it. So what it is basically doing, when I equals to 1, when I equals to 1 and j equals to 1 also, so it will print 1 star. Now I equals to 1 and j equals to 2. Now j equals to 2 and I equals to 1, so it will not enter into this loop, and it will move here and print a new line. So for the first time it has printed 1 star. Now we have I equals to 2 and j equals to 1. So I equals to 2, j equals to 1. It means j is less than I. It will print, sorry, it will print a star, not I, and it will print 1 star. Now I equals to 2, j equals to 2. So here j equals to 2 and j is less than I, which is 2. So j is less than I, it means again it will print a star. So it has 1 star previously, and it will add another star to it. Now j will be incremented, and here I will be same, and j equals to 3. Now j equals to 3 and j is not less than equals to I, so it will exit from this second loop, and it will print a new line here, and it will exit from this loop again, and now I equals to 3. So again it will happen again and again, and in this time it will print 3 star, and next time it will print 4 star, and next time it will print 5 star, then it will exit from the loop. So that's it, and that's how this logic is working. So let's run this and let's see. So it is our program. So that is our first program. So let's comment this thing and write a program number 2, which is a program for even or odd, even or odd. So first we will have a number. Let's see, and let's enter this number from the user. So first of all we will write here console dot write line, and it will ask user that enter the number, and int num equals to, we will take this number from user. We will use console dot read line here, and it is a string type, so we need to convert it. Convert dot to int 32. It means it is going to be converted into a integer. that's it. Now we have a number, and let's perform a logic here. So logic part, if num percent, okay, let's define it. So how we define that number is integer, number is even or not. If number is completely divisible by 2, then it is an even number. It means if we do not have any remainder after dividing a number by 2, then it's even number. It means if we write here 4 by 2 equals to 0 remainder, it means it is an even number. But if we write here 5 by 2, and it will give a 1 as remainder, so it is not, it is an odd number and it is an even number. So how we get a remainder? For remainder we need an operator that is called modulus operator. So it will be like that, 4% 2 equals to 0. That's how we get a remainder. So we will write here if num percent 2 equals to 0. It means it is an odd number. It is an odd number. It is an odd number. Else it is a even number. It is an even number. That's it. So let's run this program and let's see what is happening there. Okay, enter the number, and I'm gonna enter this 56. It is an odd number. It should not be odd, it should be even number. Even, odd. Okay, so it will be 56 even number, and let's enter 57 odd number. Let's enter here 3. It is an odd number. Let's enter 4 now. Let's see. Let's test the program. Okay, so everything is fine. So that's it for now. We will catch up later.